It's timed. So I got it timed. I will pull the pins. Mark 1 and mark 2. All down there is timed. The back chain all up underneath there is timed. So it's hard for you to see under there, but it is timed and put back together. Okay, 3.8 Genesis is timed. We will pull the pins and do 2 complete rotations to make sure we don't bend no valves when we crank it. So today we will be working on a Sega Genesis. I will be tearing it apart, and I will be replacing the head gaskets in it, both sides. Nice car. It's only got 100 and something thousand miles on it, but it overheats, and it's got exhaust gases in the coolant. So we are going to tear it apart. So today I will be finishing up this Genesis that I took videos of, that did the head gaskets. I already did the heads, bow stem seals, and the crank. The camshafts are bolted down. So the timing chain kit, it came in today, so we'll be installing a new chain. The chain, lower chain, some sprockets, guide, another sprocket. We got the 2 tensioners, guides, and be putting this thing back together today.